Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car bed toddler products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Delta Children's Spidey and His Amazing Friends 3D Toddler Bed in blue. This bed is perfect for little Marvel fans who love Spider-Man and his superhero team. Its standout feature is the vibrant and fun 3D accents on the headboard, footboard, and toddler rails, bringing the Spidey universe to life in your child's room. This bed is recommended for kids aged 15 months and older and can hold up to 50 pounds, making it suitable for toddlers transitioning from a crib. In terms of design, the bed has a sturdy construction with a mix of plastic and metal materials that promise durability and long-lasting use. Its JPMA certification ensures it meets or exceeds safety standards, giving parents peace of mind. The low-to-the-ground design allows easy access for toddlers, while the attached guardrails provide extra security. Measuring 53.5 inches in length and 30.25 inches in width, it fits standard toddler crib mattresses. Assembly is straightforward, and the wipe-clean surface makes maintenance hassle-free. While the Spidey design is a big win for fans, the lack of price information makes it harder to judge its value compared to others on this list. Additionally, the weight limit of 50 pounds might not suit larger toddlers. Overall, this bed is a great option for superhero-loving kids, balancing fun aesthetics and safety features. Coming in at number 4 is the Delta Children 3D Footboard Toddler Bed featuring Disney Pixar Cars 3. This bed brings the excitement of Lightning McQueen and his friends directly to your child's room with its colorful decals and 3D accents on the footboard. Like the Spidey bed, this model is JPMA certified, ensuring it meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. It's designed for kids aged 15 months and older and supports up to 50 pounds. The bed's sturdy steel frame and high-quality plastic construction ensure durability while maintaining a lightweight form. It includes 2 guardrails for safety and a low-to-the-ground design for easy access, making it perfect for toddlers transitioning out of a crib. With dimensions of 53.94 inches in length and 29.13 inches in width, this bed fits standard crib mattresses. The bold colors and Cars 3 theme design are sure to be a hit with kids who love the franchise. On the downside, the price for this product isn't listed, which makes it difficult to assess its value compared to competitors. Additionally, the 50-pound weight limit may be restrictive for some families. However, if your child is a Cars fan, the fun design coupled with robust safety features makes this bed a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Delta Children Plastic Toddler Bed with a Disney Pixar Cars theme. This bed offers a colorful and playful design inspired by Lightning McQueen and friends, making it perfect for little racing enthusiasts. It's designed for kids aged 15 months and older and has a maximum weight capacity of 50 pounds. The low-to-the-ground build and attached guardrails ensure safety and easy access for toddlers. The bed boasts a sturdy steel frame paired with high-quality plastic construction, ensuring durability and lightweight handling. Measuring 53.94 inches in length and 29.13 inches in width, it fits a standard crib mattress, which is sold separately. Assembly is straightforward, and the wipe-clean surface makes it easy to maintain. Parents will appreciate its JPMA certification and adherence to ASTM safety standards, providing peace of mind. While the price of $58.68 offers good value for its features, it does come with a few limitations. The weight capacity of 50 pounds may not be ideal for larger toddlers, and the plastic build, while sturdy, may not have the premium feel of wood. Still, This bed strikes a nice balance between affordability and fun design, making it a great mid-range option for Disney Pixar Cars fans. At number 2, we have the Disney Cars Rusty's Racing Team 4-piece toddler bedding set. Unlike the other products on this list, this is a bedding set rather than a bed itself, making it ideal for parents who already have a toddler bed and want to spice things up with a fun design. Priced affordably at $49.07, this set includes a quilted bedspread, fitted bottom sheet, flat top sheet, and a standard-size pillowcase. All featuring Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez from Cars 3. The bedding is made of 100% polyester, offering a soft and comfortable sleeping surface for toddlers. It fits standard crib mattresses, and the vibrant colors and bold Cars-themed designs are sure to excite young fans. The quilt measures 42 by 57 inches, while the fitted sheet and pillowcase are designed to standard toddler dimensions. It's also machine washable, which makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. While this set is a great budget-friendly option for adding flair to your child's room, it's not a complete bed solution. You'll need to pair it with an existing toddler bed, which could be an additional expense. However, if you're looking to upgrade your child's bedding with a fun and affordable Cars-themed design, this set is an excellent choice. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Delta Children Canton Toddler Bed in gray. This premium option is GreenGuard Gold certified, meaning it meets rigorous standards for low chemical emissions, making it a healthier choice for your home. Priced at $69, this bed is crafted from sturdy wood and is designed to fit a full-size crib mattress, making it a versatile choice for toddlers transitioning from a crib. The Canton Toddler Bed is low to the ground for easy access and includes guardrails for added safety. Its sleek gray finish and classic design make it suitable for a variety of room decors, offering a more sophisticated look compared to themed beds. The wood construction ensures durability, while the fade-resistant finish adds to its longevity. Assembly is simple, and the bed's JPMA certification guarantees it meets or exceeds all ASTM safety standards. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Canton Toddler Bed justifies its price with superior build quality, timeless design, and enhanced safety features. It's ideal for parents looking for a sturdy, elegant, and safe bed for their growing toddler. The only downside is that the mattress, bedding, and pillow are sold separately, which could add to the overall cost. However, for its premium quality and safety certifications, the Delta Canton Toddler Bed is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.